Hi guys, for today's video, I will teach you how to know if someone blocked you on Instagram. If you suspect that someone has blocked you on Instagram, here's how you can check. First, search for their profile. Search for the person username. Just like this, if you're not able to see their profile, posts, and comments, it's likely that they blocked you. Second, check your following list. If you used to follow the person and their profile no longer appears in your following list, it's possible that they blocked you. Third, look for their profile. If their profile does not appear and it says that user not found, then it's possible that they have blocked you. Last way is to know if the person blocked you. If you try to mention their username in a post or comment, their name will not appear. And that's it. That's how you will know if someone blocked you on Instagram. Thank you guys for watching this video and see you on my next tutorials.